Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Minecraft. Your Java runtime is incompatible. If you want to fix it, it's easy. All you have to do is just open File Explorer and then type here app data %, and click enter, and you will find Minecraft launcher. Now you have to delete this folder, and before that, if you don't want to lose your data, just save those two folders. Just bring it into your desktop and then delete this folder. Now just open Minecraft launcher, don't close this folder, and then log into your account, and then once you're here, just replace those two folders again to Minecraft folder, and that's it. Now just click play, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.